Honorable Principal, respected teacher, all my dear students, good morning. Today I am here in front of you to deliver my short and sweet speech. And the topic of my speech is unity. Unity means the feeling of togetherness. If there is unity, there is success. No one can defeat you if there is the unity, there is the feeling of unity. Different revolutions took place, not only in Nepal, in the world. It is all due to the possibility of unity. When there is unity, all the members can taste the flavor of success, key of success. A piece of steel, a piece of a single stick can be easily broken, but a bundle of stick is very hard, difficult to break. From here we can see that there is strength in unity. There is power. Family is said to be happy when there is mutual cooperation, mutual sharing of feelings, and each and every problem can be easily solved if the member of family is united. From here, we can say that there is nothing impossible. There is nothing impossible if the members are united. So, all, we should be united and we should focus on the same aim to achieve it. Here we are reading in Southern Academy. We all the members are united to achieve a common goal. If we are not united, then we cannot achieve our goal. We cannot achieve our objectives. In our society and in our nation, there are so many betrayals of united. If one member betrays other member, then there is no gain of any success. No one can taste the key of success. So, we all should develop the feeling of unity. When there is unity, there is success. I have already told you. Only a single finger can't lift a load. To lift a load, all the five fingers have equal responsibility and equal right. If all the fingers are united, then we can carry a huge, happy boat. I didn't want to add more than this words.